Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So last couple of months I'm making video about the upcoming Google Pixel 4a, and this phone is delayed a lots of time, but now the new report suggests that the Pixel 4a appears on a French online retailer in just a black and blue color. The Google Pixel 4a is arriving at some point soon. A new report from Android World spotted the Pixel 4a appear on two French online retailer websites, Odd Media and estock.fr. Two colors are listed for the Pixel 4a, include just black and blue. This is contradictory to report that Google had scrapped a blue option for the Google Pixel 4a and may only launch a black model. The black version has a model number GA02099FR and the blue one is GA02101FR. In addition, the model are listed as having 128GB onboard storage and showing an estimated delivery within 8 to 12 business days. From estock.fr and Ordinary Media show an ETA of July. The price listed are €506 and €441 respectively. The Google Pixel 4a is reportedly going to be announced July 13, so we are not too confident about the accuracy of these delivery dates, and the prices seems a bit high. We are under the impression that these listing might simply be placeholder for the website until the Pixel 4a become officially. Based on a recent report, the Google Pixel 4a will be announced on July 13 and supposedly want to be released until October 22. The Pixel 4a will be powered by the Snapdragon 730 CPU and support a 5.81-inch OLED screen with FHD plus resolution and a punch hole 8-megapixel selfie camera. There is 12.2-megapixel Bakeman camera, which as anticipated will take stellar photo thanks to Google software. There is also a 3080 mAh battery and 3.5mm headphone jack. So guys, this is the now latest news about the upcoming Google Pixel 4a. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.